Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see.
Clout monster clubs, and then y'all, first thing y'all holler, oh, that's not our club. But when some good shit go on, you be like, yeah, that's our club. I mean, what the fuck?
Ain't nobody never said.
That shit is under a clout.
Ain't nobody never said ain't nothing nobody club, man. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here, man. Fuck out of here.
I don't trip them other rules.
That's where the shit came from.
So let me get this right. The niggas that's running the late nights, y'all cool with that. Because them voices I don't know, so they don't even come fuck with us. That's what it is. I'm trying to figure out what is.
I'm telling you what happened, bro. The shit started in a motherfucking other room. They cracked the late night room, and they pulled up over there on the same shit. That's it. Money Train ain't pulling up over there no motherfucking every day, chopping it up like motherfuckers trying to make it.
Look, but this was crazy.
Come on.
The bitch in there talking crazy.
And a nigga talking crazy right back. Ain't nobody letting shit.
Hey, look, listen. Why my name is even, that's a clout monster. I don't even know that nigga. That nigga you talking about, I don't even know this nigga.
I don't even know why your name got inserted. But you know why. Nigga, that's what niggas do.
I don't even know that nigga.
That's exactly what niggas do to get a motherfucking response or reaction out of somebody. That's exactly what they do, throw a nigga name in there.
It is, bro. I ain't fucking with Train on no flow. Period. I'm gonna give her the attention she want. They always blame me. I know how to pick at her. All I gotta do is fuck over Mike Jones. Yo, Beats, get that address again from that nigga for the bitch sell the TV dinners. I got some little crazy niggas over there that already been asking me to do me a favor.
I'm on it. What's up with
that? And pull that shit up at the job where she at over there. Pull all that shit up. We gonna make sure we get that going too. You know why she wanna come playing with me? I ain't did nothing to the bitch.
Y'all niggas on some weird shit though, bro. Y'all niggas on some weird shit with this shit right here.
Bro, listen.
We back on this bitch again? Put that bitch's picture up, fuck it.
Ain't no one bitch supposed to keep being a thorn in our ass this long, bro. And it's real.
It sound like he's scared to deep.
I mean, it's a motherfucker on Clubhouse. I mean, the motherfucker got 30 accounts. I mean, what do you mean exactly? The motherfucker ain't never gonna make it in.
They saying Jay the Cole dropping the stage. That bitch running.
I ain't seen that happen.
I don't know how true that is. I don't know how true that is.
I got it. Hey, somebody was selling shirts over there one day.
I don't know how true that is.
Is there a replay?
But at the same time, though, the shit is weird, bro. The shit weird than the bitch.
Definitely weird.
It's weird.
I'm
not talking to you, man. I'm not talking to you at all. I'm not talking to you at all. At this stage of the game, it's not shit for me and you to really even discuss at all. Nothing for me and you to talk about. Period.
Well, you hearing it, you gonna
fuck out of here.
Nigga, I'm still hearing you're listening.
Fuck out of here. Nothing for me and you to talk about.
Ain't go to thing. Listen, bro, this is just real. Them same miserable motherfuckers tried to destroy the shit 10 times. Then they tried to go build a room
Wack,
with a fake,
I know the history, bro.
They tried to go build a room with a fake NBA. I exposed that shit. Then they end up getting into it like I told you they would. Now they coming back around, bro.
There's no coming back around, bro. That's not what happened.
Bro, listen, man.
That is not what happened. The nigga was in there talking about some old shaking ass shit in St. Louis where the motherfucker's from, and Gemini called her in the other fucking room. That's how it happened.
Gemini.
She not just pulling the fuck up just cause a nigga got a room open.
Him out too. That's Maz.
Come on, man.
He can go too. Fuck him too.
It wasn't even on no shit like that.
Gemini tripping.
Nah, Gemini wasn't tripping. It wasn't on no shit like that, bro.
I dare him to tell me to pull up somewhere in LA. Nigga, you a long way from home, boy. Your ass to go back on a Delta flight. Fuck that nigga too. So is Gemini with it? We gonna, get Gemini the link. We gonna fuck his whole way up too. Fuck it. I ain't tripping. These niggas wanna play. I don't even be paying these niggas no mind, bro. No, I wouldn't play with a nigga like me. That's just weird when a nigga ain't tripping. Weird.
people
What's that?
talking
Pull up,
about
give me an address. I'm on pull up. Boy, you'll find out what this crip blood shit really about out here. Play with me like that. God is
Gemini
dead.
ain't have shit to do with nothing, bro. The
Fuck Gemini.
What's up? You want the smoke
You
or
Gemini,
just said
nah?
he
Don't
pinged
put it
the
on
bitch.
emoji,
Gemini,
bitch. Call it out. What's up?
You just said he pinged the bitch, right?
Gemini pinged her for the other nigga from St. Louis. They had some shit going on, a debate, something about some fucking St. Louis where they all from. That's what the fuck happened. So Gemini called her in motherfucking Section A room to discuss that shit. They start talking and it start going the fuck up. By the time it was time to crack the late night room, everybody went in there, bitch, I'm assuming. From what I'm hearing. So I mean, all this old extra blown out of proportion shit
Nah, it
crazy.
ain't that blown out of
It
proportion. It's the
Wack.
bitch, yo.
This shit definitely blown out of
T,
proportion, bro.
how long does a nigga keep pulling up to the spot and doing donuts in the middle of the street, nigga,
Nah,
and
that
get
ain't
so
what
high?
that was though, bro.
That's
That
what
ain't
that
what that
is.
was. That's
That's
not
what
what
that
that was,
is.
bro. If it,
That's
you
what
already
that is.
Wack, you already know if that's what that was, I would have said that's what that
Hey, bro,
was. Nigga,
you
I'm
got
not
this
finna
nigga boy. He on some disrespectful shit. I
come on,
already
my
know
nigga.
this.
This nigga making
I don't know
PTRs,
this
bro.
nigga, bro.
This nigga making
What he disrespect?
PTRs, bro.
What he
The
do?
nigga just I mean, come on. The nigga they making PTRs. Come on. I mean,
What he
goddamn. The
disrespect to
niggas
you?
making
Where you
pictures.
getting the
Hey,
words
what
from
I
though?
do to
Like
you, bro? What's
competition and
happening?
all that. Where that's coming from?
Nah,
It
Two
come from
City.
me.
That was just some joking ass shit going on in the room.
God
That
No,
damn.
boy
that
feel
hey,
like he the
Joking,
best
bro.
at the
hey,
PTR shit ever.
wait. Who the fuck is that saying I was a joke? You bro, listen, come on, homie. We know what a joke is, and we know when a nigga got malice in
I'm
his voice,
trying,
bro.
Yeah,
yeah, bro.
you
Y'all
can
niggas
hear it.
gotta,
You can
y'all
hear it.
niggas
The
Nah.
gotta
nigga keep
listen
saying
to
little
what the
shit.
Hey,
fuck a
bro,
nigga is
JoJo,
saying,
he
bro.
the same
You
nigga
keep
that
saying
said
little shit though, T.
he didn't say it. Oh boy, so you feel like that was appropriate, bro?
Nah, it wouldn't.
So what's up, homie? It's a problem. It's a
Hell
problem.
no,
Let
it
me
ain't no
know, bro.
problem.
We just,
There's no problem, Wack.
you got a wife and kids, and I don't give a fuck. Mine's is built for it. They don't question me, but I get the nigga business, bro. So when we playing, let me know we playing. At least be real. We can play, nigga, all the way. Let's play with niggas' jobs,
Nah, bro.
manhood, your house. Let's play with all that, nigga.
But why though? Why though?
Nah, T, fuck
Why
that.
though?
Let
Wack
me
Over
that little
talk
shit
to this
though.
PTRs,
bitch
bro.
ass nigga that
Over
disrespected me, bro.
PTRs, bro. That nigga ain't
Nah.
disrespect you,
I
Wack.
That
never
nigga
done that.
it was my birthday, bro.
Yeah,
On my
but the
mama.
nigga ain't disrespect you though. What you
What?
mean disrespect you?
So
How
boy,
he
you
disrespect you?
you feel like that was appropriate, my nigga, at that time and
Come on,
moment?
bro. Y'all niggas tripping.
Huh? Huh, boy, you feel like that was appropriate?
Nah, bro, I don't.
You got a problem,
I
nigga.
ain't got no
Say it
problem.
and let's play. Look, boy, say you got a problem and let's play the game. I will fuck over you, little nigga. I know more than you think I know.
I
Nigga,
said I
say
ain't got
it.
a
I
problem.
will have your wife with, boy, nigga. Do we got a problem, nigga?
No,
Cause I don't know you, nigga. I ain't never said nothing wrong to you.
no.
But if we got a problem, game, nigga, and listen, ain't nothing safe.
So
I'm with it.
why
Nah, T, I'm
why
talking to
you
this
Y'all
fucking
niggas
bitch
sound
ass
like
nigga.
pussies.
Do you got a problem, nigga?
why you think this nigga got a
Man,
problem
listen,
though?
cause
That's
what
what
I
I'm
just
trying
heard,
to
It
nigga,
get.
sounds like he
that's
got
a lack of
envy.
respect.
Over the
That's a lack
PTR
of
shit?
respect. On my mama, that was a lack of respect. So, boy, if we playing ball, let's play ball, nigga.
I, I ain't got no problem with you, Wack, at all.
He's scared.
I
Nah,
can't
Nah,
tell
this
with
I
some
this
don't
shit.
understand.
nah,
It ain't about my
this some
falling you
weird,
It
or
ain't
this some
about
it
weird.
him.
ain't
It
about
Nah,
ain't
that.
about
nah.
No,
him.
it
Watch
was
your
Listen
mouth. Your
though,
mouth ain't
listen
scared.
though. Hold up,
Nigga, I was
cause
disrespect.
this some weird shit.
It was no
This,
need for that nigga to
this,
say none of that.
hold up, cause this some weird shit right here. If a nigga supposed to be a hunter side, now, and y'all
Oh,
said
that's
Nah,
train
what
pulling
we
up.
that's
saying it
that's
Hold
for.
on
fake as
Hey,
though,
yo,
cause
fuck.
T.
y'all said
Yo, hold
train
on, T.
pulling up as an
Hey,
issue.
T, did you for real say that? It's
Yes,
Wack
because
100. It's Wack 100's birthday celebration, and he talking disrespectful. We talking about supposed to be 100 side? Nigga, when you
nah,
go check him?
the
When you go
nigga.
tell him, hey, boy, you was out of line, homie?
Yeah,
I
that
mean,
was
he
That
his.
was
already
my
said
job.
that.
He
He
said
already
because he
said
cheated.
that,
What
bro.
the fuck you mean, nigga?
The
It's
the
weird.
nigga already said that.
I'm reacting to his action. Am I not?
Yeah, come on, bro. But all the
So what's
extra
weird
shit,
about?
come on,
I
bro.
just
It
want
ain't.
to see. Hey, look, T. I just want to see if the nigga want to play ball.
Come
Cause I
on.
don't want your
Don't
wife
know
little
him like
job
that.
to get. Hey, bro, I want to disrupt that little job she got over there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what I'm
nigga.
talking about. That's
Yeah,
exactly what I
yeah,
want to
yeah.
do.
You want to
I
play,
want to
nigga?
play them games.
Yeah,
See
hold
what
on,
I
nigga.
see what I mean?
Hey, T.
Now,
The
nigga,
shit
you talking
sounded
about
Hey,
your
extra
T.
wife
weird,
getting
bro.
your
Hey, T.
pussy
Hey, no,
when
T.
nigga
See,
talk
what
about
I'm
your
doing is
wife.
how you supposed to do it. I'm letting the nigga know if he want a problem, how it's gonna go. This bitch nigga, they mentioned my birthday. Ain't no way he's supposed to be saying anything like that on no open floor, bro. And you know it.
The nigga already said he was wrong though.
No, he said
The
it because he
nigga
got
already
called
said
on it.
he ain't had
He
no
said it because he
problem.
got called on it, but he meant what he said though. So when I'm
The,
asking him, since he meant what he said, as a man, nigga, do you want to play the games?
the nigga already said he was wrong. He already said he ain't got no
All right.
problem. I mean,
Hey,
fuck.
boy,
Why
know
y'all
this,
still
boy.
pressing the
Hey,
issue,
boy,
bro?
know
On it,
this.
bro.
Hey, know this, boy. Listen, the little sneaky shit you been doing on here, yeah, I'm gonna do some bitch ass nigga
They
shit.
picking on
I'm gonna make
internet
sure
niggas.
she know about it. Hear me, boy. She gonna know about it, and all the little workers around them too. Yo, listen. I promise you, leave me alone, homie. I ain't gonna say no more. Next time, I'm gonna fuck your household up, bro. I'm telling you, I swear to God on my daughter's soul, you're not gonna like it and it's not worth it. So you do it how you want to do it. I don't give a fuck.
Man,
But
why
I
you
bet you
picking on
this,
that nigga?
I'ma shake that motherfucker. I'ma shake that roof, nigga.
Y'all
So
tripping, man.
no, oh no,
On that
T.
nigga,
Hey T.
man. He an
T. I'm
internet
letting you
nigga.
know, brother to brother T. I'm tripping. And
Yeah, yeah,
I'm
yeah,
warning
yeah.
him.
Y'all
I'm
definitely
warning the
tripping
nigga,
on
bro.
this shit,
Cause
bro.
Brother
he
to
shouldn't.
brother, y'all
I
could
ain't
have
never
caught each
said
other,
nothing wrong
gang.
to this nigga. I ain't never said nothing wrong to this nigga to deserve none of that.
Y'all could have caught each other, bro.
Nah,
Nigga,
but the
fuck
nigga,
you. Nigga, call your mama, bitch. Fuck you
Yeah,
talking
who
to,
said
nigga.
that? Who
Hey,
said
hey,
that?
bro, watch your
Yeah, you
mouth,
bitch
bro.
ass
Come
nigga.
on,
Who
come
you,
Watch
on,
out,
who's
come on.
that?
bro.
Hey, watch your
Who is
mouth.
Watch
that?
your mouth,
Watch
bro.
your
I
mouth.
ain't,
What I
I ain't
could have
finna be
called, nigga.
Watch your
disrespectful,
mouth.
bro.
Matter of
I
We're
ain't
fact,
not
you
do
know
playing
that,
games
what?
bro.
right now. Watch your
Everything
mouth.
said, we
Don't come
gonna
out
take it
talking
out
to me
on
like that.
court,
It don't
I
nigga.
ain't
have to be
say
like
nothing to
that.
you
Don't
disrespectful,
get
dog. If that's
Hey,
really
disrespected
you
your
either.
bitch
brother,
That's
don't
what I'm
say
saying. You don't want
if
to
nothing
be
to
this
me
is
at
your
all,
brother, you
nigga.
disrespectful,
could have
or you
called
could be
that nigga, bro.
disrespectful
Nigga,
too.
fuck
Hey,
But
you.
at the
nigga,
Don't
same
man,
tell me
time,
real
what
this
I
has
talk.
nothing
could
to
have
do with
did,
you,
nigga.
player. But stay out of it. Stay out of it. It has nothing to do with you.
Nigga. Cause I'm gonna take it out. I wanna fuck up boy house. Give me a reason, nigga. Keep talking. Give me a reason. Boy, you better tell him stay out your business, man.
I did. Mute up.
Yeah. This is just your shit, boy. Work staying out of it. We're letting you handle your
I
own
don't
business.
know who
Don't
this
fucking
peace,
nigga
come
I
is
off
though.
saying
peace.
shit.
Let that
Man,
nigga,
y'all,
let
this nigga
Wack
getting
talk,
bullied,
big bro,
man.
cause this
I
shit
don't even know
sounding
who this nigga
weird,
is. Who's
bro.
this
Who's doing
nigga
the
I
most
talking? Yo,
mean,
talking?
who's
the
this
shit,
nigga talking to me?
the
Who is you,
shit
bro?
sounding crazy at this point, bro, because
Yeah, who
all
is
this
you, bro?
extra shit for nothing, bro.
I mean,
All this
that's the
extra
man
shit for
right here.
nothing,
Who's
bro.
this nigga?
He in a goo.
I don't know this nigga. Who, bro? What's your name?
He in a
The nigga
goo.
that said I could have called a nigga?
Nigga, my name Clutchy, nigga, and I'm keeping it G, nigga. Y'all could have called each other
Hey,
if y'all
hey.
brothers, nigga. That's my name, Clutchy, nigga.
That ain't, I'm
Everybody know
not
who
no
I am,
brother
nigga.
that nigga.
Hey,
I don't
hold on,
know
Wack.
that
Let me tell
Clutchy,
you
nigga.
this
something the truth.
isn't for
Let me
you.
tell
This
you
ain't
something
for
the
I
truth,
you,
don't
bro.
know
Clutchy.
I
that
ain't say nothing
nigga.
Listen,
disrespectful. Ain't
Clutchy.
nothing
Mute
come
up,
out my
bro.
mouth disrespectful, nigga. All I said
You
is if that's your brother, you could have called
you
him.
got
It
That
ain't
ain't
nothing
my
stay out of
brother,
disrespectful
it.
for
nigga.
you to say nothing about my
Who
mama
said he
or
my
call me
brother,
no
you
bitch
weird
or
ass
nothing like
nigga?
that, nigga. I ain't that
Clutch,
Who said
nigga,
he
nigga.
my
I
clutch.
already
brother,
fell
you
off on
weird
forever,
ass
nigga.
nigga?
Fuck
I
wrong
mean,
with
you
you,
know,
bitch
Mark.
ass
Hey,
nigga.
yeah, you,
Hey,
your mama's a
shut
Hit
bitch.
nigga.
What,
What the
your
uh,
fuck you
whatever,
yeah,
spit
nigga. We
that
can
on?
take it
definitely,
Your
there,
What
nigga.
the
mama's a
fuck you
bitch,
definitely,
talking
Clutch,
about?
Hey,
bitch.
nigga,
clutch.
definitely. We
know
can
my
get it,
address,
Your
Clutchy.
bro.
mama's a
Fuck
Clutchy, you
wrong
bitch.
already
with you,
know.
Get
nigga.
the
No, we
fuck
don't. No,
Bitch
we
out
don't.
ass
No, we
nigga.
don't. But that's what I'm
Clutch,
saying,
what the
Clutchy.
fuck,
You already
bro?
getting
Man,
out of your
leave
body.
niggas
You
on
don't
your
even know what
Watch
it
your
mama.
is.
man
All
beef,
You
this,
bitch,
gotta
nigga. You ain't
relax.
finna
all
keep
this
calling
over
me no
You can get
bitch,
your
PTR,
nigga.
okay.
bro.
Handle your man, nigga.
So
Handle my
just give me
own
the address
motherfucking
then.
business,
Just
nigga.
give me the address
I ain't
then.
finna let
Just
nobody
give me the
call me
address
no
then.
Stay out
bitch,
no
bro.
Just
clubhouse
give me the
You
shit.
address
hear me,
then.
bro?
You ain't about
Hey,
that
she
You
Nigga,
shit.
gonna
talking to
calm your
me,
I
bitch
ain't
ass
clutch.
about
down
to
then.
let
Calm
Calm your
down,
nobody
bitch
call see
Is
no
all
beef.
this
Nigga,
for a
fuck you mean?
PTR? Is all this really for a PTR or money train?
For real,
No,
man.
all this my boy this disrespectful mouth. And T, this nigga right here inserting himself in something ain't got a fucking thing to do with him.
Where that
This
bitch
shit
That's a
ass?
mouth.
crazy, bro.
Wax, take
This
that
shit,
back.
Trying to get
Clutchy.
an audio,
this
bro.
shit crazy.
Where that bitch ass nigga at that was just talking? Where he at?
This shit crazy.
Niggas is
Yeah.
busting,
I ain't
bro.
even
Bitch
tripping.
ass nigga.
I ain't. I'm gonna fuck boy
This is
life up. I'm gonna
Clutchy.
fuck his life up bad.
Are you guys making
I'm
fish
gonna show
tacos?
you. Hey,
Uh-oh.
boy, I'm gonna tell you this, bro.
Oh, okay. I was
I'm
wondering
gonna
what
tell
that
you
was.
this, bro. Leave my name out your mouth, bro.
The
Leave my name out your mouth. If
nigga
you got
wasn't
any
even
problems,
talking. Whack. The
hey,
nigga wasn't
listen.
even talking to you
Because
or
listen,
about
bro.
you.
Listen, look, one thing lead to another. His bitch
What
move.
exactly
Got
did he
this
do?
bitch nigga opening his mouth.
Yeah, but listen though, the nigga with the
It's no yeah,
boy
but,
ain't say
bro.
shit about
This
you.
nigga want
What?
barbecue sauce.
You
Nathan
want me to
T, you
run the
gotta
about
hear
clip
the
you.
back again?
audio.
He was talking about a PTR, bro.
Hey, bro, who the PTR representing?
Come on, my nigga.
Run the clip, bro.
I done had
He ain't got
several
it that
fucked up
way.
Who the
PTRs. Come on,
PTR?
my nigga.
Hey, what's going on the other side? Hey, yo, you know what, T? Hey, T, you know what disappointing with me? I'm letting you know I got a problem with this nigga said. The PTRs represent my birthday party, and you really want to sit here and justify this nigga slighting
Nah,
something, bro?
I'm not justifying nothing, bro. I'm just saying the nigga already said he was wrong. The nigga
But
already
you
said
got your
he ain't got
man
no
over here
problem.
inserting himself.
You know what I'm saying? But y'all niggas dragging this shit on
No, you
and
got
all
your
this.
man. I don't even know this nigga.
Yeah, this nigga, I mean, he should have just stayed on mute, but at the same time, come on, my nigga, y'all got
No,
all,
no,
y'all
T,
doing all
hey,
this
T.
extra
It's
shit, bro.
only fair that I let a nigga know where I'm at with him, bro. Cause I know he has no idea. He don't know. And it ain't what I'm gonna let you know, bro. If you ain't a self-sustained, contained nigga man, and you still got the little family shit going on and all that, bro, don't come over here playing. We'll fuck your life up, bro. I'm warning you, bro.
Yeah, we want to play like that. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm
I
warning
ain't
you,
gonna
bro,
lie.
because you done did a little too
Bullshit.
much for the missus not to know about, bro. Jobs and all that, get to circulating to all the little emails and the little job place, all these little things, and little, back channels and all this shit, boy. You know how it go, bro. You might want to kick back, my nigga, and just, do your little thing and be respectful and be disrespectful to those that disrespect you. But nigga, I ain't did nothing to you, nigga.
Niggas only
This some
respect
weird ass.
disrespect.
Who the fuck is
Why
that
they keep
talking, man?
popping up on the
Hey,
mic like
not
that?
too
Who the
much.
fuck is that?
Not too much on
Um,
Brianna. Not too much, y'all.
Oh, okay, okay.
She
God
Hotel
damn.
Indigo. She
And
is
not
not
too
Okay,
much
she.
you
for
better
Not a
control your
Brianna.
thing.
Like,
bitches.
That's just a
yeah,
real.
but control your
Control your
business.
people. Get off the floor.
Okay, y'all.
I don't
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
get
Any
waving ass.
anybody got to work on that nigga? Send me to work on it.
Who on
On
who?
what nigga?
On
On who?
who?
On who?
T Money Man. Send me to work on it.
Who is this?
Oh, no.
On what now?
We
On
on
what
bullshit
man?
tonight.
Hey, levels.
Hold on.
Hey,
On
yo,
what
T.
man?
Level.
Yo, T,
He's
I'm going
talking
to keep it
about
real, T.
Clutchy. I think he's talking about Clutchy.
Listen, I don't know what's going on, bro. And boy, for real though, like, is there some underlying shit?
no, bro.
Cause I'm
Here,
oblivious to this shit, bro.
there's nothing, bro. I
Nah,
made
y'all niggas blowing some shit out of proportion, bro.
No, we
At
not.
this
No,
stage,
T, you
not
doing
my
AT.
nigga, y'all